Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a plug-in motion sensor night light. They can definitely use anywhere as you want to. As long as you guys have a plug outlet to actually plug it in, then you should be fine. So you can see it from this banner here, and this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys open up, this is basically what the product looks right here. So they provide guys two of them right here, and they're both the same thing. So I'm actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So they do have the brand logo right here, and then right here we do have the light option. And right here we do have the motion sensor option right here. If you guys look at the top right here, we do have the switch to actually activate the product. So we have off, on, and auto. Auto is basically the motion sensor option. And right here we have the option to actually increase the brightness on here. So they do have a medium or high setting on here. If you guys turn the back power here, you basically want to plug in this power here into an outlet to actually generate power on the actual product. And also for the power here, they mentioned how it's actually fire resistant as well. So you don't have to worry about it causing fire anytime soon. And that also means that the product has overcharge or overcurrent protection as well. And for this power right here, it's supposed to have like a warm white color option. But that is basically everything that's included in the power right here. Let me actually go plug this in to show you guys how it works and when it actually works, and I'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here is the product. Let's test it out and see how it works. So I'm gonna plug it in first. Alright, so once you plug it in, you guys want to turn it on. So we're gonna turn on the motion sensor option on here and turn on max brightness. Once you guys have it on, you guys are basically all ready to use it. So I'm actually turn off the light first, and then we'll walk by right here to see if it actually works or not. Alright, so the light is off. Let me actually walk by right there and see when it actually turns on. Alright, so definitely see the product definitely does work, and I didn't walk that close to it. I'm actually really far away from it, and it detects my motion from really far away, which is definitely pretty nice. But you see the brightness on here is actually really bright if you guys use it in the high setting on here. If you move it further away, this is how much coverage it gives you guys on here when you guys actually set it up. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work, and actually works quite well. Literally all you need to do is just plug this in and actually turn on the product. If you guys want to use like the motion sensor option, or if you guys want to keep it on, or even if you guys want to actually adjust the brightness level on here, you can definitely do all of that on here. But when you see when I actually plug it in, the product is actually really bright and it works really well in terms of the motion sensor option on here. So whether you guys want to use this in your bedroom, or bathroom, your kitchen, or anywhere else, that is up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality plug-in night light that you can basically use anywhere as you want to. That also has like the motion sensor option on here. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want, or don't need one, or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.